Hello guys, so as Jayla previously said, we are out today at the National Night Out Family Day out in the park that they do every year. Everything is free out here, so it's just fun for the kiddies, and they will be doing fireworks later on tonight. So here's a view of the scene. Activities, that's the stage, the band is going to be playing soon. They're giving away free school supplies, and they're raffling off bikes over there. They are giving away food over there. You can get hot dogs, chips, water, watermelon, and I guess these are just things that you can sign up for right here. And we are in the line to get the ices because it is hot. Come on, hit it. What? Fake it. Bounce that. Sure does.
Now look like where? Here we go.
Uh-oh. Hey. Are we going to the back?
Hey. Oh. Yeah. What if we just whipped us so hard we fell out? Oh.
We on a hayride, y'all. Hayride, hayride.
Hayride, hayride. You got food up in your mouth. That's nasty.
You know how I do. Y'all the nachos.
Like this is a ride.
Got the nachos here.
I wish you'd go fast so it could be like one of them rides at 6 bucks.
Got the nachos here.
Hey, look, we on this hayride. It's shaky. People look at me so weird.
Arnold. Hey, Arnold. Makai, Arnold. Arnold. Hey, look, we
don't like people.
What?
Oh, what if we see a deer again?
What?
No.
I need the olive ones.
No, she. You gotta turn around.
I can turn it around.
Oh, no.
She's too busy.
Oh.
She's too busy worried about her snap, guys.
Oh, no.
She's too busy.
Add me up right there. You see on the picture that I took with you?
Oh, yeah. I liked it. What are you talking about? I liked it.
Yeah, I put an ad.
I gotta repost that.
I said go add her.
So this is the trail we normally walk.
Hey. We just rolling.
Wait, are we going all through this?
And there's gonna be fireworks at night. They setting up the fireworks right there.
Y'all see them? Ooh, I'm so annoying.
That's where the fireworks gonna be. Yeah.
Okay. I'm so annoying and I like it.
Just seems like we got a long time for that. It is.
Oh, look.
Go home, leave, come back.
At least you like how annoying I am?
What the?
I thought it was a bird. I'm like, where's the bird?
Hey, I sound like him.
I'll be blowing that whistle out here. Deer coming, somebody run up.
I feel like we going to the trails right there.
We going to the
We going to the
deer
islands.
hunt. We going to the caves. Going on an adventure.
We usually walk down here. Now we usually. Oh, look, right there.
What is that?
I'm not supposed to jump off.
I do it.
We got some walkers.
I do it for $10. I'll jump off for $10.
Look how slow it's going though.
Oh, look at the puppy.
You got the puppy.
Hey, you turn that.
That's a cute dog though.
Makai, what's wrong with you?
No, it's seriously.
Here come the deers, Makai.
Wait, what? Makai said, oh, no.
No, I don't want to trip over.
Hey, that's going to be fun, though, isn't it? You can't lie. It ain't going to be lit when we
No,
turn.
the entire truck.
Mm-hmm.
Hit my hand.
You say you going to
You in the army or something? Let me see this eye. This sheriff's police.
Just sit down.
Then they ain't got no thing to hold on to.
These chairs are so uncomfortable. Oh my god. Okay, somebody go. Makai, go.
Go ahead.
Oh, I smashed my
Scoot
finger.
over.
Oh my god.
How do I even get in?
Okay, we're in the command truck.
Okay, somebody got
Going up
hold this.
to look up the whole.
Nishi, I mean, no, she can't. She said it.
I'm not supposed to get on the tail of the wire.
You might get. Okay.
I'm the governor of the
Get down. Let's
city.
see. I just want to stand right here. I just want to.
I can show them on the camera.
Here.
How do I get up here? How do little kids get up here?
If you want to sit down.
Sorry.
Oh. Damn.
Wow, I'm so tall.
Is it?
Yeah, G.
Oh, it's outside.
Yeah, G.
Yeah.
Here you go.
That's all you did? Oh, here they are giving away free food, watermelon. Up here is water, chips, and hot dogs. And the stand is over there. And I believe we are about to go to the smokehouse.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Back at it again. So what do you want to say? We're in the smokehouse. Oh. We're in the smokehouse.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Hello.
Hey.
How many moms we got? Well, we're going to start the show off with you.
Oh, get up.
With the mommy.
So we'll start with mom and then we'll graduate down. Okay? So when we're at home and we're cooking, one of the important things we want to stress to you is what direction do you have the pot handle? Okay? Which direction do we have it? Do we have it like this?
No.
No.
Okay? Or do we have it like this? Or do we have this handle spun around this side?
That side.
What?
Does it matter?
Of course it matters.
So we don't want to have it out here though, right?
Right.
We're all in agreement to that, right?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because a kid can come by and knock it off.
And we don't want them to get burned or scalded with it, right?
Right.
Okay? So let's say that dad is cooking, right? You come in the kitchen and you find your pot on fire. So what are we going to do? Okay? Flour doesn't work.
It doesn't work?
No, what else can we do?
Extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher, that doesn't work. What else can you do?
You can.
Turn the eye off.
Turn the eye off, that's a good idea. Turn the heat off, right?
Yeah.
Turn the heat off, or if he's got your lid and he hasn't burned that up, you could possibly take this and just slide this over, right?
Yeah.
Put the lid over that. And what are we going to do by doing that? We're smothering the fire out, okay? Now, obviously, if you come in your kitchen and your whole cabinets are on fire and everything else, you can't do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we need you to get out of the house and get moving right away, right?
Yeah.
Okay, smoke detectors. Everybody got smoke detectors in their house?
Yes.
So, what kind of house do you live in?
Apartment.
You live in an apartment?
Yeah.
Where's your smoke detectors at in your apartment?
In the living room.
What about by the bedroom?
Yeah, they're right there by the bedroom in the door.
Okay, so in your apartment building, is it just for your particular apartment or is it the neighbor's apartment?
From upstairs and downstairs.
So you have a condo or a townhouse?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you have smoke detectors downstairs on the first floor and on the second floor, correct? So do they, when they go off, does the one on the bottom floor go off when the top floor goes off?
All of them go off.
All of them go off together? Okay. How about you?
Yeah, I live in a trailer.
You live in a trailer, so how do they work?
I have one in each room, basically.
You have one in each bedroom?
The bedroom, the hallway, the kitchen.
One down by the furnace?
Yeah.
You live in Bourbon,
Mantino.
Mantino? Okay. So when they, that sounds like that when they, one goes off, they all go off?
Sometimes.
What?
Okay. How often do you change the batteries in your smoke detectors?
Every month?
No.
Wait, did they do one for 10 years? Or am I wrong with that? No, like seriously, no, they came and replaced it.
They do it. There's a 10-year battery out there.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's why I'm not crazy. Yeah, that's what the landlord.
But if your dad's cooking, he might use the battery life up in like 7. What is it? Mackay?
Yeah.
Did I say it right? Mackay? Okay. So Mackay, I want you to lay down on the floor and show us how to do stop, drop, and roll. You gotta lay all the way down though, right?
Yeah, stop trying.
Okay, Mackay, now one thing I want to add to this, okay? Mackay, over here.
Okay.
Mackay, right here.
Yeah.
I want you to take your hands, I want to put them over your face like this, and then I want you to roll. Alright, go the other way. Okay, keep going.
Keep going.
Alright, there you go. Good job. You're good.
Ooh, good job, yay!
Now the reason we want you to do that is we don't want you to get any, try to get the smoke, fire off your face, okay?
Sorry.
Alright. Okay, so for just a second we're going to pretend, right?
Yeah.
Here for just a second.
Dunk tank going on. Introducing Jayla Marie. Hey, hey. Hey. Wait, it's not. Sorry.
All right, what you say about that taco?
Don't take the taco. That's the baby's lunch.
That's the baby's lunch, guys. The baby.
Hey, I got a chair this year.
They go to swaddle baby right there.
That's the baby's lunch. Come on, baby. Hello, baby.
He's swaddled up.
When we gonna take the picture? Cause I'm on my phone.
This is the lit chick.
Waiting on these fireworks. Waiting on these fireworks.
Arnold.
And wanna
I didn't do it. What you say?
Was that you want? You got me like a.
That's Arnold Schwarzenegger. Little Arnold Schwarzenegger right there. So we about to go find a spot to sit.
I got my flash on because
so we can watch the fireworks, guys.
What? Everybody make noise for the bus.
Oh my God, McKay.
When's he gonna stop? He's not gonna stop. You know, people be peeing up in their cups, you
Look
know,
at
Nisha?
God's artwork. Look at it, look at it.
You know, people, I mean, you know, Nisha, when you get done there, you know, people can pee up in there. You know, people not looking just.
Well, here's the cup. There you go.
All right, so where are we? Are we right here?
Oh, right
It's
here.
not that big, but
We got people sitting out.
Right there, we put the cover down. Don't look at this weird shit.
Ghetto, ghetto, ghetto.
all right, and then we could just park.
What that?
Are you good, bro? Like, you need to serve?
What?
Oh! That fell?
See, I told y'all.
At least we're not that close.
Y'all want to let's get
I
close. One more.
Bro, are you good?
Really, really, really.
Let me see you do your thing.
Makai, are you?
Fucking blurry, dude. Wrong with my connection.
You got ball juice on it, that's why.
The juice is everywhere. The spirits have got me. Woo. One on your balls. Two, grab a handful.
Shit. Here you go.
Like gunshots.
Y'all don't say that. Oh shit. Oh damn. Y'all chill. Woo.
Hey, I ain't never seen no shit like that.
You louder than the fireworks.
Hold the motherfucking poodle. They won.
So this was our family day 2017 back to school special. The
Yes.
fireworks ended it off. Any last words?
Get to the chopper!
Roll it.
Deuces.
Like and subscribe.
Get to the chopper!
Deuces, night night.